In this video, I'm going to show you how to get keywords, tags that you can use to rank your video on YouTube. You know that for your video to rank, there are certain things that need to be in place, such as your tags, your hashtags, your description, your title, your thumbnail. Your tags has to do with keywords. Your title has to do with keywords. Once your title and your tags and your description contains keywords that people are searching for in your video, then your video will definitely have higher chances of ranking on YouTube and on Google. But the challenge is that some tools that you can use to get these keywords are paid. And in this video, I'm going to show you the free methods that you can use to get keywords that will help your video to rank. So all you need to do is come over to YouTube. Once you're on YouTube, now the first thing you are going to do is you come over to your search bar. Depending on the video you are creating, you search for things related in that video. For example, if I'm creating video on Google AI video generator, that is VO3, I'm going to search VO3, and I can go further to say alternatives. So you see, I want to search for VO3 alternatives. So if I want to create a video that shows a different tool that does what VO3 is, I can use this as my keywords. All you need to do is to open your notepad. You just write down all of this one by one. You cannot copy it, so you just have to write it out. VO3 alternative, you open your notepad. So you write all of them down. You copy all of these. This means that these are things people are searching for when it comes to VO3 alternative. Then maybe you want to create a video on AI video generator. You can see that these are keywords. You can see these are things people are searching for when it comes to AI video generator. You can as well maybe put AI free video generator. So when you search for AI free video generator, you can see what people are searching for. All you need to do is write out all of these keywords that people are searching for. Write them out and save them in your notepad or in your phone, whatever you are using to do this. Also, this works with your phone and with your computer. Okay, once you open your YouTube app, you just search for a particular keyword. That subject or title your video is all about, just search for it in different ways. You're going to see what people are searching for in that particular topic. Another way to do this is to go to Google at the same time and search for AI free video generator. You're also going to see what people are searching for on Google. So all you need to do is to just copy all of it, write it out. You can't copy it, just write it out on your notepad with your computer or with your phone. Then once you are done writing them out, while trying to upload your video on YouTube, add these keywords in your description, add them in your tag section, separated by a comma. So this is just what you need to do. Make sure the keyword appears in your title. Then write out all that people are searching for related to the topic of your video. Write it all out. Then one by one, add it as a tag in your video section, and also add it in your description area. And your video will have higher chances of ranking. You can as well use it as hashtag. Maybe just look at what people are searching for and combine it as one word and use it as hashtag. And you can as well pick out just single words like video generator, free AI video generator. I'm just using this for example. This works for any other niche. No matter the niche you are trying to do, this works for you. All you need to do is to search the topic of your video, and you are going to see what people are searching for related to the topic of your video. Write them out in your notepad and use them in your description and add them in your tag when uploading your video. Then capture the keywords in your title and your video will have chances of ranking. Don't forget to also work on your thumbnail. Make sure you have a good thumbnail. But when it comes to looking for the keywords that people are searching for, this is one free method you can get keywords for free and make use of them. So I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel and drop a comment.